Hi there, and welcome to a new episode of our character design series. In this video, we're starting the design of the second character in our story. To kick things off, I began by sketching out some silhouette ideas. From there, I slowly started developing the concept step by step. Honestly, I wasn't entirely sure where I wanted to go with the design at first, and that led me to change the direction several times along the way. But eventually, I ended up with a few solid concepts that I'll be sharing with you later in the video. I hope you enjoy watching this episode and maybe learn something new along the way. Don't forget to follow the channel if you'd like to see more videos like this. Let's keep building this world together. As you can see, these are the 3 final sketches I ended up with. Honestly, I still feel like they're a bit far from what I had in mind. So before the next episode, I'm planning to go through more references, and I might even restart the whole design from scratch. Thanks so much for sticking with me through this part of the process. See you in the next video. Take care until then.